Do you ever wonder if your money is working as hard as you are? Let's talk about investing, an essential tool to amplify your wealth. Picture this. Even if you're setting aside a modest sum regularly, with the power of compounding, it can grow into a substantial amount over time. You see, every dollar you invest is like a tiny worker, tirelessly adding to your wealth. It's not about having vast amounts to start with. It's about consistency. Investing is not a luxury. It's a necessity for financial growth. What if you had a set of golden rules to guide your investing journey? Imagine having a roadmap, a compass of sorts, to help you navigate the often complex world of investing. Well, that's what these golden rules are all about. Let's dive in. Firstly, diversification is key. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments. This way, if one sector takes a hit, your entire portfolio doesn't crumble. Secondly, invest in what you understand. Whether it's technology, healthcare, or renewable energy, stick to industries and companies you're familiar with. The better you comprehend a business, the better your chances of making informed decisions. Next, set clear financial goals. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Having a clear target can help you determine the right investment strategy for your needs. Fourth, don't let your emotions control your investment decisions. The market will have its ups and downs, but panic selling or impulsive buying can do more harm than good. Stay calm, stay rational. Lastly, remember the importance of patience and long-term investing. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a robust investment portfolio. It takes time for compounding to work its magic, so be patient and keep your eyes on the prize. Remember, these golden rules are not just for the wealthy. They're for anyone who wants to make their money work harder. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of investing, exploring how to make our money work for us. We've learned that investing isn't just for the wealthy, but for anyone willing to take the time to understand and apply the golden rules of investing. These rules form the pillars of successful investing: diversification, long-term strategy, and regular investing. We've understood the importance of diversifying our investments to spread risks. We've also learned the value of a long-term strategy, as investing is not about quick wins, but about building wealth over time. Regular investments, even small ones, can yield significant returns over the long run due to the powerful force of compound interest. So, let's not be discouraged by the seemingly complex world of investing. Instead, let's embrace it and start our journey towards financial freedom. Remember, investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time.